Hey guys, welcome back to the SJBB YouTube channel. So the video you're about to watch is a haunted house experience here at Indiana Beach. $3.50 upcharge. But yeah, so we've just done the experience. So now you're watching the beginning intro. Good experience, well worth the upcharge. There's a really big jump scare in there. So well, not a big jump scare, but it's going to catch you off guard. So anyway, we're heading in there now, and yeah, let you see for yourself. It's quite dark there. There is some nice spots there. Yeah, if you're in Indiana Beach, definitely worth having a go at that. I'm going to wait a bit before you. So we're in the haunted house at Indiana Beach.
Oh, I'm running here because I refuse to help the doctor with his evil experiments. It would change my mind, but I witnessed the horrors here. Frankenstein, cruel, surgical procedures. Death. Oh, but my soul will not rest. Will not rest. Must be interred in holy ground. Help me. Take me with you. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
I have need of your services. Yes, your services. Back to your cells, all of you. Do as I say. Now, go. Wait till I get you. Wait till I get you.
Down to an epileptic wall in right now. So it's like a fun house, kind of. Oh, it's like give you assistance to walk. So like I say, it's $3.50 steps to get in here. Indiana Beach. So it isn't upcharged to top of your wristband. It's very quiet though, so I left a distance gap.
Watch out!
Watch out, you watch out. Paul. Oh, Paul.
Anyway. Door number one, don't miss all the fun. Door number two, I'm waiting for you. Come down with me. And before you're not seen anymore. Hey, Mr. Price, can you still be alive?
This is okay, dead end. Oh, wall. Emergency exits, but
Yeah, it's not.
that chain. Can you spray 50 glass on an escape where we can just do this? Oh, hang on. No, no. Can't be through here, surely. Oh, hang on. Narrow, narrow. Nope. We still haven't tried.
That's why it's this way. If you put the arrow here.
Does that pull open? Yeah. We found it. There we are. That's interesting. Frankenstein. Bye, Frankie. Push. Oh, that's the exit. Nope.
Biggest rat the doctor has ever been! Run! They're behind you!
Oh.
Don't round the tail!
Oh,
Round
fun.
the tail!
Oh, rats. Emergency exit. Okay, that's padlocked. What? Oh, push. I didn't cry, but I don't know if there's so many guests or sound effects like children. It can be quite scary actually. Stop, don't look down. Okay. I look down. Oh, the river.
You like one of the family. It will all be amazing to find if you please. The good doctor has prepared for
Poor fella. Wicked witch. Flashing lights, epileptic warning. Oh, hello. Oh. So the operator did say it takes about 15 minutes to go around this. Oh, I'm going upstairs now. This is the end. I see lights, so this might be the end. Well, that's fun. So that's your haunted house experience here. Oh no. Okay, fair enough. Back here we go. Yeah, Indiana Beach. I'm going to try and speed up now actually because the video's getting quite long. Oh dear. And oh, brilliant. So yeah, you painted glass. Oh, that's brilliant. Whole camera. That's brilliant. That's the exit. Push. That feeling might be come towards the end now. So that's where we're up there. That is really cool. I like that. So that drop on the stairs. Oh, I mean, that one at Robley Bridge was absolutely brilliant. That's good effect. Right, back to it. Must be coming near the end now. Right, this must be the way out, surely. Down the castle. Yeah, so we're going to finish it there now. Thank you for joining us for this haunted house experience here at Indiana Beach.